Look at the given figure. This is figure number 2 in the chapter Reproduction in Organisms. This figure depicts the cell division in yeast, that is budding in yeast. So what is yeast first of all? Yeast is a unicellular eukaryotic fungi. And friends, if you know, in unicellular organisms, cell division itself is a mode of reproduction. In unicellular organisms like bacteria, yeast or amoeba, cell division itself is a mode of reproduction, right? Now, budding is a type of asexual reproduction. Budding in yeast is a kind of asexual reproduction. So, what is an asexual reproduction? Yes, in asexual reproduction, what are the major features of asexual reproduction? If you see, in asexual reproduction, a single parent is able to produce its offspring, right? Is able to produce its offspring. And such offspring that are produced from the single parent, this offspring that is produced by one single parent is identical to each other as well as identical to its parent. Right? So these are the two features of asexual reproduction, right? One is it is uniparental inheritance. One single parent is capable of producing its offspring. And number 2, its offspring are identical to each other as well as they are identical to the parent. That means 100% Xerox copies of their parents. Now if you look at the budding as an asexual mode of reproduction, what are the features of budding? What happens in budding? Budding is a type of unequal cell division. Unequal cell division. You can see in the diagram, in the image, you have one parent cell like this. Now at one point of the parent cell, there is a small outgrowth here. This is called as the outgrowth. This outgrowth is a result of the cell division at that particular point or the cytoplasmic division. So due to the volume of cytoplasm, increase in the volume of cytoplasm or due to the cell division, this particular outgrowth will happen. This outgrowth is otherwise called as the bud. Eventually, this bud will increase in size. This bud will increase in size. And as a result, it will grow in size. It reaches to maturity. And once it reaches to maturity, it will behave as a daughter yeast cell. Daughter yeast cell. Now friends, this daughter yeast cell, sometimes it remains attached to the mother cell or the parent cell, or sometimes it gets detached from the parent cell. It depends. So budding is a type of a very common mode of asexual reproduction. Common mode of asexual reproduction found in organisms like yeast, right?